What is student loan? Easy explain. A lot of people hear student loan and think it just means money for college. That sounds easy enough. You borrow, you study, and later you pay it back. But the part that catches people off guard is that a student loan is not just help for school, it is a real debt with rules, interest, and repayment terms that can stay with you long after classes end. That is the detail many people do not fully understand until much later, what a student loan actually is. A student loan is money borrowed to help pay for education costs like tuition, housing, books, supplies, and other school-related expenses. The simple difference is this: a loan usually has to be paid back, while grants usually do not. That one distinction matters more than anything else at the beginning. So the easy explanation is not complicated. A student loan helps you pay for school now, but you agree to repay that money later, usually with interest. That is why it can open a door to education, but it can also become a long-term obligation if you borrow more than you really need. How student loans work. This is where it starts to make sense in real life. If you qualify for federal student loans, they usually come through the government aid process, which starts with the FAFSA form. Federal student aid says federal loans can help pay for college or career school, and there are different types, including subsidized and unsubsidized loan. There are also private student loans, which come from banks, credit unions, state programs, schools, or other lenders. Those are separate from the federal program. So when people say a student loan, they may be talking about two very different systems, and that difference becomes important later.
When you start paying it back, one reason student loans feel less serious at first is that repayment often does not begin immediately.
Many federal student loans do not require payments while you are in school at least half-time, and some have a 6-month grace period after you leave school or drop below half-time enrollment. That delay can make the loan feel distant, almost invisible, but it is still there. Interest may continue building, depending on the loan type, and once repayment begins, the monthly payment becomes real very quickly. That is why student loans often feel manageable at the start and much heavier later. The part most people miss. Not all student loans work the same way. Federal student loans usually come with more flexible repayment options and borrower protections if you run into trouble. The CFPB says private student loans generally do not offer the same flexible repayment terms or the full range of protections available with federal loans. That is the part hardly anyone explains clearly enough at the start. Two loans can both pay for school, but they may behave very differently once life gets harder, income is tight, or repayment becomes stressful. This is general info, not financial. The real takeaway: so, what is a student loan in easy terms? It is borrowed money for education that helps you pay for school now and repay later, usually with interest. It can be useful, but it is never the same as free aid, and it should not be confused with grants or scholarships. That resolves the big question from the beginning. A student loan is not just school money, it is a financial commitment attached to your education. Once you understand that, the topic stops sounding confusing and starts sounding exactly what it is: help now, repayment later, and a decision that matters more than it first seemed.
If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.